Okay, rather good morning. I have this fertilizer. I want to put it on my grass. It is a lawn and foliage fertilizer, but I need an applicator. You need to spread it evenly. But I thought about taking this 5-liter container, and then I just cut the stop open here where I can put the fertilizer in, and then I'm going to make here in the bottom 3 holes. I think it's about 10mm holes, or a little bit big. I'll see how big the size of the fertilizer. Then my plan is to go and shake it like this and put it on the lawn. So let's just open this thing quickly. Take this. Okay, I end up with a 12mm drill bit. Then it seems to be the right size. I'll have to make it bigger if it's not right. Now let's go try it. I think we're going to make the holes a little bit bigger and then try again. Okay, I made it like a 18mm, a little bit bigger now, so I think it will better now.